Hey guys, what's going on? It's Nigel here with outsole and welcome to my channel where we talk all about sneaker reviews and guides. Today, I'm reviewing one of the oldest sneakers that I've picked up, and that is the Nike Air Zoom Mariah Flyknit Racer. Without further ado, let's dive right into this review. So now let's take a look at the Nike Air Zoom Mariah Flyknit Racer up close. We'll go through some of the key features as well as their style, comfort, and most importantly the sizing guide. So if you want to get a pair, you know which is the right size to get. So the first feature we want to take a look at is the upper, which basically is the entire upper top material that is covering the shoe. So we see that this actually has a entire piece of Flyknit upper, and Flyknit is actually Nike's signature technology, and so you can be rest assured that it actually won't disappoint you, because like any other Flyknit material, it's actually really comfortable. The stretch is definitely there, so when you put your feet in, it actually provides a really nice snug fit. And what I really like about the Nike Air Zoom Mariah Flyknit Racer is that it actually has this sock fit around the sneaker collar. So when you have this sock fit and coupled with the Flyknit upper, it actually gives a really nice snug fit. So when you put your feet in, it actually feels like something is hugging your feet. So the material is really soft and it really gives a really nice comfortable fit along your ankles as well as your forefoot and midfoot. Looking at the next feature, which is the outsole. So when it comes to running, what we worry about for the outsole is that does it provide enough grip, does it provide enough traction, and is it durable? So in this case, as I mentioned earlier, I've been using these for about 2 years now, and I can truly say that the condition is definitely up there and the durability is there as well. I've been taking these out for a run at least 1 to 2 times a month because I rotate between my shoes, and you can see that even with that frequent use, the outsole pattern is pretty much intact, and it doesn't really look like it's gonna fade away anytime soon. So you can be rest assured that the condition of the sneaker, the durability is definitely there to provide you with the necessary traction if you are using these for a run. So you won't have to worry that the running performance is affected. Going to the rear, we have the signature heel frame here, which covers the entire of the heels, all the way from the midsole all the way to the sneaker collar. So what we have here is that this actually provides the stability at your ankles, so that when you're running corners or walking, your heels won't actually move about. So this actually provides the comfort and the stability as well. And I really like this because not only does it serve the purpose of providing the stability, it actually gives a really nice look at the back, which I really find that is really pretty clean. So we'll move on to the next feature now, which we are going to talk about the midsole. So in case you're not sure, the midsole is this entire part that I'm going through now. Basically the in-between of the upper and the outsole. So what we have here is that this material is actually made of Nike's Zoom foam, and similar to the Flyknit, is one of Nike's signature technology. So you can be rest assured that it actually does provide decent support and bounce. So for those of you who are looking to take this out for a run, you can be assured that the quality is definitely there. One thing I really like about this is actually the style and not really the comfort of this, because comfort is definitely there like I mentioned earlier. The style of this is that it actually has a dual layer colored midsole. So like usual midsole like Boost or any other sneakers, you realize that there's actually only one color. But for this case, we have black here and we have white here, and this is actually just the particular colorway that I got. But many other Mariah Flyknit Racer also has this design, which really, when you see later when I put them on feet, it really adds a nice touch to the look. And just to highlight some key differences is that if you compare this midsole to other technologies such as Boost, it actually gives a firmer feeling. So I'm not here to say whether a firmer feeling or softer feeling midsole is better, because ultimately it depends on your personal preference. But overall, if you are someone that prefers to feel more grounded, to get a firmer feeling from the midsole, then this sneaker is the one that's suitable for you. And that pretty much sums up all the features that we're gonna discuss today for the Nike Air Zoom Mariah Flyknit Racer. Now let's put these on and see how they look on feet. On feet, the Nike Air Zoom Mariah Flyknit Racer offers both a stylish and fashionable look, which is actually one of the main reasons why I love them. Being slimmer in shape as well, they offer a sleek design which allows you to pull off almost all outfits. On top of that, Nike has really went all out this time for the colorway choices for this particular sneaker. Basically, there's just a wide range of colorways for you to choose from, so I'll link it down in the description as well in case you want to check out more colorways. Do let me know in the comments below as well what your favorite colorway is. Sizing wise, this sneaker runs true to size, so I strongly recommend you getting your usual size. And the reason why this is so important is because this sneaker has a one-piece upper as well as no lace guard. So even with the laces, this sneaker can't be tightened much, so getting the correct size, which in this case is the true size, is really important in making sure you're getting a nice comfortable fit. The Nike Air Zoom Mariah Flyknit Racer retails at a price of $150 when they were just released. By this point of the video, you can probably find them at between $100 to $120 from various online retailers. I'll link some down in the description below in case you'd like to make a purchase. And with that basically sums up our review of the Nike Air Zoom Mariah Flyknit Racer today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also subscribe so that you don't miss out on any content. You may also visit honorsoles.com for more of such sneaker reviews and guides. Anyway, it's Nigel here with honorsoles.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you at the next one.